Hey y'all. Ooh, my nose. Here with another mukbang. At Kakoi Sushi and Ramen. It's in a food court in a supermarket. And I got, well, before I start, make sure y'all like, share, comment. I'm not feeling good. I be putting my body through it. But yeah, we gonna see what I got today. Also, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this. It's afternoon over here. So I got a takoyaki, which is octopus balls. Bomb. I don't know, I like it. I like this type of seafood. I got ginger. And then for my meal, I got a tatsuda curry don, which is basically like fried chicken, sliced over rice and curry sauce and some veggies. And for a drink, I got jasmine tea. This is what I got. But yeah, we're gonna see how it all tastes. I think I'm gonna dump all my ginger in my takoyaki. Let's see. It smells good. It's like fried octopus balls. That's what it is. There's probably way too much ginger. Yup, there's mad ginger. I just wanted to put it in one thing. And then I've never seen these. I think these are oh hell no. I'll get it later. It already has the sauce on it. It tastes good. Like, it definitely does taste like mayo, but it has something else with it. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's like I don't know, squid? Dry squid? I don't know what it is, but the sauce tastes good. That sauce. Yeah, them flakes taste like squid or something to me, but I don't know. I could be wrong. I don't know if it's more octopus either. So let's try it. Let me eat some ginger. And ginger is nice and sweet. And gingery. Look at the... Let me see if I can make it look pretty. This thing is like covered. It's like falling apart. It's soft. Cheese ball. It like melts in your mouth. Type thing. That's like the sensation I got. And then it has bits of octopus. This is like a treat or a delicacy for me. So I'm being biased. I am giving it a 10. Honestly, I think cravings are kicking in because I've been eating a lot more. I should check. I like been trying to be more in tune with my body. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all what today is. It's Tuesday, December 19th. Got that up. Luckily, I felt that. What was I looking up again? I totally forgot what I was looking up. I hope it was just the date. But we gonna try this. It's so hard to open. Oh, there we go. You see it? Okay, maybe I shouldn't have put it on there. Look at that. Oh, it looks so good, right? Oh my gosh. Whew. Luckily, they gave me a dang fork. It's easier. Oh, look at that. Watch. It's so good. It's like a nice crisp. Oh my gosh, this is like a treat. I was looking up my cycle. As a woman, I should pay attention. Oh no, it's not coming anytime soon. Probably like in a week. Yeah, usually like a week. It's definitely coming. This is bomb. So, potatoes and carrots. I don't know what these are, but these are my favorite too. These are so good. Well, this has time for me. I be craving this. I know it's easy to make at home, but I do not have the time or energy. So yeah, I hope you guys like. How this looks. Definitely do not talk with broccoli in your mouth. You'll choke. Let's try this. Oh, this tea fire. Jasmine tea. And Taylor, you got a little honey. Oh, it says water, sugar, jasmine tea, honey, concentrated, green tea liquid, jasmine tea extract, water, jasmine tea. Oh my gosh, how many times are they gonna put jasmine tea in here? Vitamin C, D sodium erythorbate, sodium hexametaphosphate, sodium citrate, vitamin C, sodium bicarbonate, and artificial flavors. Oh my gosh, there's a warning label talking about consuming this product can expose you to chemicals including the lead and cadmium, which is known to the state of California to cause cancer and birth defects or other reproductive harm. This is ridiculous. I just read this, so I don't even want this anymore. But it's all I have to drink, so I'm gonna have to just drink it. But it just sucks when like you think something is healthy and then you get it and then there's a warning label that says, bitch, we just fucking with you. But anyway, I hope y'all like this mukbang. Y'all should try it. If y'all have any recommendations at any ramen spot for me to try, let me know. Comment down below. Have a good day. Peace out.